Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I am Juicy, Gab, whatever y'all want to call me. I am a brand stylist for small and medium-sized women-owned brands, okay? I am also a mentor for guidance if you need it, for even if you want to start up a brand, or even if you already have a business and you just need a simple refresh, okay? I got you, girl. But anyway, let's get into the video. So we are going to be talking about faceless brands, faceless accounts, how to start one. Moms, listen up. Whatever, listen up. It is so easy to start a faceless brand. You just got to make sure that you posting engaging content. And y'all don't mind my kids. You got to make sure that you're posting engaging content. Post content that's based off who you want to reach, what type of people you want to reach, how you want your content and your platform based off of. So I actually have like a faceless account on Facebook, and what I promote is, I go towards certain groups and stuff like that on Facebook to promote what I'm talking about, to promote what I do and stuff like that, and that's how I grow. But for example, like Victoria's Secret, Walmart, and stuff like that, we don't really know who those people are. So that's pretty much a faceless brand, okay? Faceless brands are nothing new. It's just the hype right now, and everybody feeling like it's something new, but it's not new. These big brands have already been on it, already doing it. A faceless brand, you could start it on YouTube, you can start it on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, anywhere. As long as it's a social media account, you can start a faceless account anywhere. Okay, make sure you use your SEO, make sure you use your hashtags, make sure that you are creating reels or, shorts like on YouTube. Create your shorts. Make sure when you are doing YouTube, get your YouTube studio. Make sure you go in there, add your tags in there and stuff like that. Make sure your thumbnails and stuff like that is good if you're going to do a full video. And then with your shorts, make sure that you got your hashtags and your hooks. Make sure your hooks are on point, because that's what grabs the people in to watch your video. So make sure when you put something over the screen, or at least make sure that your picture is appealing to the eye so people can click on it. Okay, and then what else is, it's so many ideas of faceless brands that you can start. You can start drop shipping. You can start selling digital products. You can do a digital product business like graphic designing. You can sell clothes. You could do hags DIYs. You can do so much stuff, showing people how to do things. You can do motivational content. You can do traveling content. You can do coloring. People love illustration, coloring, all of that type of stuff. You can do food content. Like, it's so much that you can do. Like, when you do this, make sure that you are using the right hashtags that match what you are talking about in your content. Don't just tag anything, okay? Make sure that it resonates in what you are talking about, who you are trying to reach. So, like, say if you want to do digital products. I know digital products is popping right now, selling PLR, MMR, journals, ebooks, so much stuff. I know that's popular right now. So when you want to promote stuff like that, you want to maybe do like storytelling. You want to maybe tell like what made you join the digital product industry. Go about, like, I'm a mom of, such and such, and I decided to go this route. Oh, I quit my, 9 to 5, and now I'm doing this, and I made this, stuff like that. That's how you could do stuff with your digital products. And then if you want to do like videos of showing people stuff, just literally show people stuff. Take yourself out of the camera. Like, I know I'm not doing this faces right now, but take me out of the camera, okay? And like use my cup and just be like, day in a life as a mom. I'm sitting here making $5,000 a month while, blah blah blah. And you're not in the camera, so like, just imagine my cup or your cup or whatever, and you just doing that. That's a faceless That's some faceless content. Okay. What else you can do? You can like be out in the day in life as, you know, such and such, making 5K a month, or just tell like what you sell. Point of view of teaching girls how to master their lash business, stuff like that. So when you're doing digital products, that's how you can market, and that's how you will create your account, and that's how you will create your content around stuff like that. Okay. I look a little bald headed, y'all. My ponytail. So that's how you do that. Okay. And then for YouTube, you can do YouTube and Pinterest, Instagram, all that the same way, pretty much. What you could do is create like separate email, create a separate email. So if you're gonna link all, like if you're gonna link all your accounts together and stuff like that. So say you link your Instagram with your Facebook. So you every time you post on Instagram, it will go to your Facebook account. Okay, that's another way you can do it. And that's an easy way to post as well if you want to make a faceless account for Facebook and Instagram. Okay, that's one easy way you could do it that way is to link them together, post on one social media, and it's going to automatically post to the other. But the only thing about that is when you want to promote in groups, it's not going to promote your posts in groups. So you have to go back on Facebook and actually promote your posts in groups that you want to be known in and have your content being popped up and stuff like that. Okay. I hope that makes sense so far. So what else, y'all? When I'm not a Pinterest girl, I do need to hop on Pinterest, but I definitely know Pinterest is very strong as well. I definitely recommend you try Pinterest because everybody not even on Pinterest, so I definitely recommend you try Pinterest if you have the hang of it. People love going there for DIYs, house decor, interior designing, everything. Digital products. I'm talking about everything. Pinterest is like the image marketplace, okay? To spark people's ideas, to give people ideas. So if you have creative ideas, I definitely recommend you posting on Pinterest. Okay. That's my thought, my recommendation for Pinterest. But also like TikTok and stuff. If you have like a dropshipping business, that's faceless as well. I know you can set up like TikTok shops, or Instagram shops and stuff like that, and get paid. And then even when you go live and stuff and you want to have your stuff on hand, you still don't have to show your face, okay? You can literally set up like your table or something. So say you got like your physical products. Set up a table, do your little pop-up shop in your home or something like that, comfortable. Make you a whole DIY background studio where when you go live, you do your whole prop setup. And then only show your products. You don't have to be in the camera at all. Just show your products off and stuff like that. Even with what I was gonna say, doing it like that. Even with digital products, even with drawing, go live. You don't have to show yourself. Go live. Show your screen. People always go live and share their screen. You still sometimes don't even know who behind the screen. Okay. So don't I can't go live either, or I can't make videos either because I don't want to show myself. You don't have to show yourself. It's so many different ways that you can create content without showing yourself. You can use other people's content. People have accounts and websites where you can actually go and buy videos for you to use to post on your account. Okay, I know those. I'm not gonna get those out right now, but because I may have an ebook coming out, more details so y'all can keep. But yeah, it's some websites that you can definitely go on and snatch up some videos, pay for the accounts monthly, and you got some videos right there that you can post. All you gotta do is put your hooks over them and boom boom. Okay, y'all need to be the chocolate. I took a break. So I know the most important part that everybody is wondering, like, how in the world is y'all making money? How in the world is y'all making 100K, 10K, all this a month, a week, a day on faceless accounts. How the hell is y'all doing this? So, the way you do this is when you make an account, when you create an account, do it a way where you can sell something, and that way that you will funnel someone to buy something from you. Okay, so my phone about to die. So when you create an account, so say you have a traveling account, okay, you will create a guide or something like that for people to buy. Say people want to go to Peru or something like that, I don't know, and you have a guide, a tour guide of where to go eat, where to go stay at. You have like a whole setup for them, like, so when they go, they set. People will buy stuff like that, okay? Like, if you know the spots, you know the deals, any of that, create a guide, create a toolkit, any of that, and put that into your bio. And then when you create your storytelling videos or your accounts and stuff like that, then they will go into your bio and be like, okay, she got something like this to resonate with what she's talking about in her account, or her, her posting and stuff like that. So that's how people are making money. They are posting according to what they are selling, and they are selling ebooks, guides, courses, and stuff like that. That is how you make the money. Okay. Another way, you want a low ticket, a high ticket, and a mid ticket. Okay, I said that wrong. You want a low ticket, a mid ticket, and a high ticket. Okay. You want to make sure that if you do a low ticket, maybe that's free. Okay. Maybe you're giving something out for free, a free guide, a free ebook, something like that. And then your mid ticket, okay, that's gonna be like maybe $50 to $100 and something like that. And then that's something maybe people can go, okay, she got something right here where I can be a beginner, learning on what she knows and stuff like that. And then you have your high ticket. That's your $500 to your $1,000 high ticket products right there, where a lot of people want to buy those because it's like, okay, this must hold a lot of valuable information. The price of it, the looks of it, the style of how the person is promoting their information and stuff like that. I want this, okay? So don't be afraid to price your products at a certain amount, okay? Because people are out here, they're going to buy it, okay? But doing it in that way helps funnel down to getting your high ticket. And that's how people are making money, okay? I hope you got what I'm saying. So create your faceless account, start making content, have a backup for your ebook, your guide, your courses, and stuff like that. And then also, as you grow, you can also make deals with other brands and people who see your content. That's like, okay, she has a traveling account, let me message her, let me have her do my promo, and we work together. And that's another way of people making deals and money off of faceless accounts. They are having deals and promo deals and sponsorships with other brands to promote their business on their account for more reach. Okay, I hope y'all are staying with me because I am giving y'all the tea. So that is a way to make your money, create ebooks, courses, and stuff like that. I'm gonna say it again. And then also having sponsorships, brand deals, and promos, story promos, post promos, any type of promos. Get it down packed, have it ready for the brands to start messaging you like, hey, how much is your promo? Go ahead and have your prices nice and set for them to already know what you're working with. Okay, it's up to you if you want to negotiate with them or not about your prices. But at the end of the day, make sure you already at least be ready and prepared for brands to hit you up, because you're gonna go hard on this faceless account. Okay, there's no need to be lazy or anything like that. All you need to do is post. Pick a easy topic so that way when you post, it's not stressful. And that's another thing. Pick something that's easy, ongoing, that you can just get up on the social media, boom, 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 post for 30 minutes. That's linked to that. That's already posted there. I'm done for the day. Okay, you can see your reaches grow up. People putting in orders, people messaging you, hey, I want to promote this, and that's how you do it. Okay, y'all. I think I'm in this video right there on that though, cause I don't know. I don't think I got nothing else for y'all tonight, but I'm in that right there. Y'all let me know in the comments how much more y'all want to know. But that's insight right there. Start right here with this little bit of information that I just gave you. This little bit of information that I just gave you is going to already get you a head start, okay? Let me know in the comments what else y'all want to know. Let me know what questions y'all have so I can come back and answer them, because I definitely want to answer y'all questions if y'all have them. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video, because yeah, we all gonna get this bag rich off content 2024. Y'all have a great night.